This is a Mercedes-Benz GLE with NTG50 system. Now let's demonstrate how to replace the Android large screen device. First, remove the decorative frame of the host panel with the rocker, and then remove the air conditioning control panel. Remove the fixing screws of the OEM host and take out the host. Remove the two fixing screws on the air conditioning panel, and then remove the two hidden fixing screws on the back of the OEM display. Remove the OEM display screen, and remove the rear power cord and LVDS cable. Finally, remove the three fixing screws in the middle of the air conditioning panel to remove the air conditioning panel. Remember to remove the connecting wire behind the air conditioning panel and remove the fixing bracket. Hold the ISO plug buckle of the OEM host and pull it backward to take out the ISO plug of the OEM host. Connect the ISO plug of the OEM host to the male of the Android ISO harness. Connect the Android ISO connector to the back of the OEM host. Insert the plug and press the clip to make it firmly installed. Pass the ISO harness and RCA harness through the center console to the base of the display. Pry open the side cover of the storage box with the rocker. Tear off the double-sided adhesive tape behind the 4G antenna and GPS antenna and paste them on the dashboard. Plug the excess wire into the gap above the storage box and press the exposed harness into the gap with the rocker. Connect the LVDS cable of the OEM display to the Android LVDS cable on the RCA harness. Pass the two USB sockets through the passenger's glove box and put them in the glove box. Thread the plugs of the 4G antenna and GPS antenna onto the base of the display screen through the glove box. Install the metal display bracket to the position of the OEM display, and then install the new air conditioning panel. Please pay attention to connect the clock plug to the rear of the new air conditioning panel. The air conditioning panel has a total of 5 fixing screws, all of which are locked. Install the OEM host in its original position, and then lock and fix the OEM host. Connect the plug of Android ISO harness, 4G antenna, GPS antenna, and RCA harness to the back of Android device. Plug the audio out, plug into the USB decoder, which is connected to the USB socket in the central armrest box. Install the base of Android device on the position of the original display screen. Open the rear dust cover and lock the fixing screws. After installation, you can start the car to test whether the Android device works smoothly.